So in this video, you'll learn how to close apps that are currently running in the background on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So whenever you want to close the apps so that you can free up your memory, or you just want to close them so that they stop draining your battery, what you're going to do is start by accessing the recent menu. Now, depending on your system navigation, it could be slightly different. If you're using gestures, then you just swipe up to the middle of the screen, and then you should be able to see all the apps that are currently open in the background. But if your navigation system, say for example, has been set to buttons, then it's slightly different. What you're going to do is just press on the recents button, which is on the left hand side, and then it will open up the recents window. From here, now closing the apps is fairly simple. What you're going to do is just swipe up on the app page preview like this, and the app will be successfully closed. So you can go ahead and do the same thing for the other apps that are currently open. However, if you have a lot of apps and you don't want to keep going through one by one, swiping them to close them, then you can just tap on close all like that. And now, whenever you bring up the recent window, you can see it says no recently used apps, which means that you've successfully closed any apps that are running in the background. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.